Okay, guys, so we are back on the MT4, and now that we have drew our lines, it's time to learn our first strategy. Okay, so let's go into our indicator list. So it's going to be that F on the top. Click on that F, main window. The first indicator that we are going to apply is a moving average. Okay, so make sure that your moving average is on 200. Shift to method is exponential. Okay, there's no levels. You can have it white. Click done. Now, what this moving average does is it acts as a good resistance for these longer time frames. As you guys can see, price respects the moving averages. It just does. It acts as a support and resistance. Okay, the next indicator that we are going to add is the alligator. Okay, leave it as settings that it comes with, the default settings. Okay. Now, I'm going to teach you guys about the alligator. It's pretty simple, honestly. Okay. I'll show you two examples. Right here, the alligator lines, which is green, red, and blue, they're all squiggly together and in one place. Versus right here, they're all separate and they're drooping down while price is dropping down. Okay. So here's the rule of the alligator. Okay. We don't trade while the lines are all squiggly together in consolidation. We only trade when the lines is separate and far apart from each other, because that shows that we are in a trend. So that's what the alligator does. Is a trend indicator, shows us if we're in a trend or not. Okay, so the alligator shows us if we're in a trend or not. Okay. Right here, we were in a trend, and alligator also shows the strength of the trend. Okay, so the lines are very far apart. That means that the trend that we're in is very strong. Now, this is very simple rules, okay? If the candles are above all three of the lines, that means that we're in an uptrend. If they are below all three lines, like this case, that means we're in a downtrend. Okay, so we only want to trade in one of those two scenarios. Let's look over here. You can see price is in a strong uptrend here. Okay, the candles is all above all three lines, and all three lines are spread out pretty far. Also, you can see price hitting these moving averages. It's hitting the 200 moving average. It's acting as support. Okay. Look at this trend right here that the alligator is showing. Okay. And you'll see, you look closely, when that green line crosses under that red line, price starts going down. And then you see again, it goes down, and when the green line crosses the red line up, price starts going up. Okay, you can see, look, green line crosses the red line up, and price starts shooting up. And the line spread very far, showing we're in a strong trend. It crosses again, the green line crosses under the red line, and price starts dropping down. Okay, so that's how you can see buy and sell signals from this indicator. Okay, seeing the lines cross and just seeing the overall trend. From there, you find your entries.